Good morning. Today guys is Tuesday 22nd of July 2025 at magva-vlog po tayo ngayon. So, ang naisip ko ngayon guys ay what I'm going to do is not to spend. So we are going to do like a challenge day with no spend day. So that's what we are going to do today. So this morning, I didn't record any video guys kasi nga wala akong plano na mag-video sana. Kasi nag-garden ako, tinulungan ako ng anak ko na si Hailey. And then when we came in and I suddenly remember na why not to make a video. So that's the title guys, a day with no spend day. So that's what we are going to do. Pero yun na nga, hindi ko na guys, hindi ko na i-video kung ano yung kinain namin kanina. So ang kinain ko for breakfast ay yung leftover nila ko last night guys na soup with 2 slices of pork ribs. So yun ang kinain ko kanina. And then si Hailey at Lakota, ang kinain naman nila ay cereals with milk. So yun ang kinain nila. And our purpose guys is not to spend a single cent of money today. Not only today but anytime as long as I can. But the challenge is just for today. Okay guys, so that's what we are going to do. And then okay, let's do it. So ang naisip ko guys na nalulutuin ko ay sabi ni Hailey, I want to eat ensaladilla rusa, sabi niya. So that is like vegetable salad guys na may green beans, potatoes, no, not green beans, green peas, potatoes, and carrots. Tapos eggs. So yun guys, may eggs kami na nakuha kanina sa mga chickens namin. So yun din ang ating ilalagay. Tapos mayonnaise. So may mayonnaise din tayo. Mayroon din tayong mga gulay. No. So ito guys yung frozen na green peas natin. And then I have some carrots left. So, tapos guys ito may na-harvest ako kanina. Isang okra at saka isang talong. But I'm going to cook that in another meal. Not today, but maybe tomorrow. So that's what we are going to do. I have my... Alright guys, so I have my potatoes in here. Parang bulok na rin yung isa siguro or naanuhan lang yun. So as you can tell that they started to sprout. And I think I'm going to plant some of those para may maani tayo. So yun nga ang lulutuin natin guys. We just steam it and then that's it. Tapos i-boil natin, i-hard boiled natin yung eggs. Yeah, dalawa. May 4 ako na eggs dyan pero dalawa lang yung ilalagay natin. And yun nga. Yun nga ang challenge guys. So we have to eat kung ano man ang meron tayo na naimbak. So, yun ang gagawin natin, guys. So, it's a very exciting challenge. But that is just for today, guys. Okay? A day with no spend day challenge. But, I will have to make another video na, yun nga, just eating from what we stored. So, yun yung next na gagawin natin na video. Yeah, I hope we can make it to 2 to a week, guys. Now, without going to the grocery store. I tried once what a Spanish family ate in a week. Yun yung, ano guys, yung title ng video. I think that was 2 years ago. And yeah, I did it. I didn't go to the grocery store for a week. I didn't even buy any single grocery guys. Yeah, because I have everything at home, so that's what I did. Because I really want guys to save money because we are spending a lot of money guys. Maybe the 4 of us, maybe we spend 1,000 euros for a month and we are just 4. Yeah, and my girls, they don't eat that much. So I think what is happening and bakit ang mahal ng groceries namin. So, yeah, that's what we spend normally, 1,000 euros a month. But I want to cut that down into half. So maybe I'm going to make it gradually, and then once I can see the things that we really need, and then that's what we are going to buy. But I will do my best to cut our bills on groceries. That's why if you observe that I plant our own garlics, our own onions, our vegetables, so that helps also, guys, to cut our grocery bills. But I want to continue that challenge, guys. Yun nga. So medyo marami tayong na-imbak, guys, or na stored na food na nabili, or yung mga na-processed, mga ganun. So that's what we are going to do. We are going to use those para hindi sila masira, guys, at saka ma-rotate natin yung mga foods na yun. Kasi yung iba parang malapit na yung expiration date nila. So ayaw natin na masira because we spend so much money on that. So we are going to use it. Kaya this challenge is a very good way to to use all those about to expire. Okay, guys, but most of them, like yung bottled na corns, chickpeas, beans, mga ganun, guys, yun, as in it has very long shelf until maybe 2029 or 2030, guys, siguro yun yung expiration date niya. So I'm not sure if we can reach that year. So we are going to use those before they expired. But maybe yung flour, ganun, hindi naman. Flour will be next year, but I'm not sure. Milk, yes, milk will expire next month. Yeah. Now we are going to make those. I also have bread, guys, in our freezer, and my friend visited us the other day. She stayed with the girls, and my husband and I went to the mountain for a night and 2 days. Yeah. So yung friend ko nagdala siya ng bread, and we didn't eat, so I put in the freezer. So we also have those bread, guys, to eat. But we stopped eating bread these days. I don't know why. Yeah, just like we are tired a little bit of bread, so para hindi siya masira. And I stopped making bread as well. Para hindi masira, inilagay ko doon, guys, sa freezer namin. Yeah, para anytime if my husband or my kids wants to eat bread, then we can just take out the bread and toast, then may makakain na tayo. Okay, guys, but let's continue the challenge. The challenge is just for today, and another challenge that we are going to make maybe next week or these days also. But for today's video, yun nga, a day with no spend day challenge. So that's what we are going today, and we are going to use or cook what we have. Kasi ayaw ko kasi, guys, yung halimbawa everyday na kung ano man ang bilhi, kung ano man ang kailangan mo. For example, I need onion, hala, punta ng grocery. And then I need a can of tuna, a can of sardines. I love going to the supermarket again. No, I don't like that. Every time I go to the grocery store, guys, I really try to buy for a week or more, or I try to buy yun nga, extras. So yun ang tinatago ko, guys, kaya meron tayo. Yeah, kasi nga ayaw kong lumabas just to buy just an onion, just a ginger, just a garlic. Ayaw ko nang ganun, guys. I want that every time I cook, I have all the ingredients. Kasi nga ayaw kong lumabas. Kasi we spend fuel also, we spend time if we go and buy these things every day. So better to just buy in one day for all the things that you need, or for the food that you need for the whole week. Yeah, or more. So yun nga ang ginagawa ko, guys. Yeah. So let's continue. I will just prepare all this. So this one, guys, ay tomatoes from our garden. So ilagay ko ito, guys, doon, and then peel and slice the carrots and also the potatoes. Ipakita ko na lang sa inyo mamaya. Okay, guys? Kung nailagay ko na sa kaserola natin. Ayun. Okay, guys. So, hinugasan ko na yung 2 eggs natin at ilagay natin dito. Kasi nga, this is a steamer, guys. This is a steamer at ilagay natin here. May tubig siya. So, ayan. As you can see, may tubig yan siya. Tapos, this is our vegetable. And I will peel these 2 potatoes and then slice. Tapos, yun din ang ilagay natin doon. Okay, guys? I have peeler, pero this is what I want to use now. Come, anak, let's go. Okay, guys, so this is Lakota's. She doesn't like mayonnaise, so that's why I didn't put mayonnaise everything, guys, because Lakota doesn't like mayonnaise. I just add the eggs and also a little bit of salt and oil. That's what she likes, her vegetable. Delicious.